Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. To enable or disable developer options, we need to enter developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options on your phone, we have video at this channel just for your device, so you can check it. Now, after you enable them, you need to go to the settings, then to the system, so you need to scroll down, and in the system we have developer options. Tap at this line, then you can scroll down and find HD audio, or right here we have it, or you can use a search and write HD right here. And here it is. Now to disable it, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it, if the slider have colorful background. Once you disable HD audio, you will use now SBC Bluetooth audio codec. To enable HD audio, you need to also tap on time at the slider near to it, but if the slider have empty background. And right here, after you enable HD audio, now you can swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!